So is TickTick legit and do they actually pay out? Well, of course they do. This is the second withdrawal I got from them, and I want to show you guys what the process was. And with TickTick Direct, you could actually get paid from day number one, which is amazing because I just got this account less than a week ago. Last Wednesday afternoon is when I signed up for it. And then I made money on Wednesday. I lost money on Thursday, and then I made money on Friday. And on Friday afternoon, after the market closed, I was able to take a withdrawal. And how does that work? Well, anything over $1,600, you could withdraw from TickTick Direct from day number one. The typical TickTick account, when you do the evaluation, you could pass it in one single day, so the next day you could be funded. But then to get a 100% payout, you have to trade for 40 days. With TickTick Direct, you skip all of that. It's a game changer in my opinion. It is a smaller account. It's only a 25K account. But again, you can make money with it and then you can get paid right away, and it's quite amazing. I requested the payout on Friday. Let me show you guys the process and how long it actually took to get the money. So here we go. We have the email that I sent out through their website to get the payout. So they had to kind of confirm everything to make sure everything is qualified for a payout, you know, because you do have to have over $1,600 of profit in the account, and then you could take out only minimum of 250. Okay, so you can't take out 100 bucks or less. I mean 250 or less. And if you want to just take out 100, you can't. So you have to keep that in mind. So they had to go through that process, and I was not expecting for them to kind of email me over the weekend because I did this Friday afternoon or even evening. And to my surprise, they emailed me on Friday evening, and then throughout the weekend, they were emailing me with all the documents that they needed. So I had to provide proof of address. I had to provide my ID and all that stuff, and then everything got confirmed. And then it said it might take up to 5 business days for the money to go into my account, my deal account. And in that point, the account is restricted. You can't actually open or close any trades. So what I did was I signed up for the Apex. I took the advantage of the 90% sale that they had, and I opened 3 accounts with them. But to my surprise again, the process was pretty much just 1.5 days. So this morning, this is Tuesday, May 2nd at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, so the market time, I got the email that the money went through and the account was unlocked. So I was already out of my office, away from the desk at the gym, and then I did get back to my desk around 3 o'clock, and then I did take a quick scalp, and I was able to make $150. So now my account is at like $1,750. So that already counts towards the next withdrawal. And this time I'll probably take a bigger withdrawal. I'm not gonna just take $250. The reason why I took the minimum is that's what I made by Friday's close, because I did have a red Thursday. And I also wanted to mitigate the risk on this account. So I paid $350 for this account. So withdrawing $250, that makes the account now only at risk of $100, which is not a big deal. That's basically the cost of regular evaluation and an activation from any other firm, even TickTick if you go with the regular evaluation route. So got the payout, and then the account got unlocked and it was good to go. So it's super simple process. Just got to submit a couple documents, fill out a quick form, and you are good to go. So I could vouch for them, and this is the second payout I got from them as well. It's not the first time. The first time I had a little bit of confusion why the account had to be locked and this and that. This time I was prepared for it. So I did sign up with Apex for a couple more accounts, and now I actually have 4 accounts. So I have my TickTick account, and I have 3 Apex evaluations, and I'm able to trade all of them at the same time, meaning on my computer, on the one computer. I'm not going to trade them together linked, but I have 2 accounts on Tradeovate, which I will trade them as linked accounts, and you could just link them like that, which I made a video on that yesterday. It's pretty cool. I thought I had them linked today, but unfortunately, when I double checked if they're linked, instead of clicking on this, I basically went to both of these accounts to make sure the profits was the same, and they were, but then I didn't click back on the grouping, and then end of day I realized, well, not end of my trading morning, I realized I didn't actually copy trades into both accounts. So you guys could see I left the house on the table here, say, or at least a nice car. Huge sell-off, but at least I was on the right side of the move, so it was pretty cool. And I was able to make $2,300 on this account over 2 days. So this is the second day. So yesterday I made 1,000, today I made 1,300. Then on the first day, so I signed up with this account in the video last night. So this was the first day I was trading with it, and I made $2,400 on this account. Also left a lot on the table here, and the other one is the one with Rhythmic. So same thing. You can't see that, can you? There we go. So I made 1,000 on that. So now I am up 1,925 on this account. So these are the 50K valuations. So I have to make $3,000 profit. I'm on day 2 with them, and one of them is on day 1, but same difference really. So hopefully I pass those, and then I could trade all of these accounts together, because I do have Lifetime Ninja platform license. Therefore, I don't have to log into my Rhythmic account to trade my TickTick account. Or well, actually, vice versa. I could even use my Apex account in NinjaTrader without logging into Rhythmic. I guess that's how it works nowadays. In the past, I never realized that's how it worked. But basically, on this account, this is the TickTick Direct, and I am logged in, and I am not using Rhythmic to use the data from it. So I'm assuming that unless something changed that I'm not aware of, it's because I already have the lifetime license on NinjaTrader, and I already have the data feed. So made 150 on that. So now the account is at 1650, and we are good to go for the rest of the week. And these were the 2 quick scalps. So I took a quick short here, covered, and then I took a quick long here, and I sold here. So I left a lot on the table. But again, with the TickTick Direct plan with the 25K, you do have to be quite careful. It's only a $500 max loss per day. And the last thing I wanted to do is get close to that in the afternoon when it's not my strong suit. So in the mornings, the volatility is a little bit better for me. So I like to scalp that. And hopefully we could make another video on polarity. So eventually, one of the Apex accounts, I might trade with just polarity, see if I could make something out of that. We'll see how it goes. But for now, we're sticking to this because there's so much going on with all these accounts that I want to be able to trade them at the same time on the same computer without having to set up a second laptop or a second PC. And yeah, so I have multiple screens here, and I'm able to kind of, control all the accounts, even though they're at different entry points and stuff. At least I'm able to trade them all at once at the open. But anyway, any questions about TickTick, let me know. And again, TickTick is my favorite, but Apex has their own benefits. So if my local friends or someone that is brand new to futures, I would recommend Apex because it's much cheaper to get into. But TickTick is definitely easier to get paid from. So there's a lot of differences between all these firms. So you definitely pick whatever works for you. I'll leave links down below for both, and let me know how you guys did. And if you want to join the Discord as well, so we have a Discord, and the Discord has a lot of polarity members in there, so keep that in mind. But we do talk about trading as well, regular futures, since a lot of us don't use polarity anymore. So have a great week, guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.